my channel, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's time for Look Fantastic. This came a couple of days ago, but the kids were poorly, so I didn't get a chance to unbox it, so I thought I would do it now. For those of you that don't know, Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. My mum bought me like a 6-month subscription, so it ended up being about £13.70 a month. But if you just do a rolling 1-month contract where you can cancel whenever you want, it's £15 including postage and packaging. You also get a copy of Elle magazine within the box, which is worth like £4. So if you take that off, then it is a good priced box. Let's have a look and see what this box is like. It's pretty. It's a really pretty box. I really like that design. And then underneath, it's kind of like a lilac-y colour. It's really heavy. When the postman gave it to me, I was like, that is heavy. So let's have a look. What is our quote this month? Get ready to steal the spotlight. You always get a little beauty quote there. And then we've got our little booklet that tells you all about what is in the box. I'm not going to look. I've watched no spoilers on this. I've had a couple of people message me on Instagram and say it's really good this month, but I have no idea what's in it. So that is the copy of Elle magazine. It's a little travel one, and this is, where's the RRP? £4.50. So yeah, take that off the price of your box, and it makes the box about £10.50, which is a really good price. So Look Fantastic do tend to go more heavy on skincare, but if you like skincare, then that's all good. So this is the box. I will show you guys first. Does it look good? Something smells good. Something smells good. Something smells good. Lucy. Oh! I did know one thing is in it because it was a sneak peek from last month and I just forgot because I'm thick. I'm super excited. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to do the spoiler. This is The Ordinary, and it's Hydrator and Oils Hyaluronic Acid, a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love The Ordinary skincare brand. It's my camera. There we go. They are super affordable if you don't know, like ridiculously affordable, and you need to check them out because they're amazing. They have all the same high quality ingredients as some of the stuff that costs an absolute shit ton, but they are super affordable. This packaging feels really expensive. It's got like a matte feel to it. It feels fancy pants. And it's the Abnormal Beauty Company, which is The Ordinary, and apply a few drops to face AM and PM before creams. I'm super excited to try that, and it is a 2% hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, if you don't know, I'm just gonna pretend like I'm gonna say what I think it is. Pretty sure it just helps you retain moisture. Is that what it is? Is that what it does? Hydration and repair. Yeah, it like, I'll just read it out of the book. That'll probably be better. Shut up, Lucy. Okay, so The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, treat your complexion to a moisture boost. There we go. With intensely hydrating serum, packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture. The serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave smooth, plump and youthful-looking skin. Store in the fridge for a refreshing boost. Oh, I might do. I love hyaluronic acid. I use quite a lot of stuff. I've got some toners. That is a 6% hyaluronic acid. Has that one got it in it? There's a serum, there's a Nip Fab serum that I've got, which has got hyaluronic in it, and then I've got some little pads as well. I really rate it. Okay, next up, oh, this is Rituals, and this is a soothing hand balm, cherry blossom and rice milk. Rituals is always really nice to get, and it's a really nice big sized sample. How big are you? 70 ml, so this is probably even full size. Relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious soothing balm. Harness the powers of shea butter, organic rice milk. This balm replenishes, rejuvenates hands with subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. I'm not going to put it on now because I might put a little bit on my arm. I put some hand cream on the other day in a video, and then I couldn't open anything because my hands were too moisturised. I'm just gonna, oh, it smells nice. I'm just gonna rub a little bit into my arm to see. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really, really nice. Oh, that's going straight in my handbag. That is lovely. Since being up the duff, my skin is just so dry. Hands, face, arms, everything is just like moisture. So that will definitely get used. What are you? This is a Madara. I feel like I've heard that brand before, but I don't know where. Madara, and it's a Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal Mud Repair Mask. This literally feels like it's empty. Purify and decongest the complexion. Oh, it's little. It's a bit of an overkill box for how tiny this sample is. This is a 12.5ml sample. Purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals, harnessing the power of charcoal and black northern mud. This face mask draws out dirt, impurities and pollution to leave radiant complexion. Apply to clean skin, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. Use 2 to 3 times a week. I'm not going to open it now, but that's a really little sample. I think you probably get like 1 or 2 face masks out of that. Face masks. And that's a really big box for how little that sample is. But that's nice. Look fantastic. Don't ever put the prices of anything in their book, so I will pop it on the screen if I can find a price. Next up, I'm going to go to the one that I can't ever pronounce. My skin doesn't like this brand. It is Omorovicza. I can't pronounce it. And yeah, my skin for some reason just reacts badly to this brand. I've had this before and it just dried my skin out, but I know a lot of people really do like it. This is a cleansing foam. Their moisturiser doesn't like my skin either, so this will be going into a giveaway. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with a gentle foaming cleanser to avoid harmful sulfates. Containing white lupin to energise the skin and detoxifying copper gluconate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. But yeah, my skin does not like it, so that's all sealed. It's got like a nice metal seal onto this. We'll just go into a giveaway. Oh, I don't know what to get next. I'm going for the Morphe thing. What are you? This is a highlighter. It's a Morphe highlighter. It says Morphe Mini Highlighter in the colour Spark. Achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter with innovative formula. The weightless highlighter delivers high shine in a perfect golden hue. This highlighter is an essential for making complexion appear radiant and glowy just over prominent areas of the face. We all know how to use highlighter. Let me find, where's my highlighter brush? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh, farts. Where's it gone? Oh, here it is. Okay, so have a little finger swatch first. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of like apricot-y. I have got a little bit of highlighter on, but it's been on for a few hours, so we'll just get some more on and see. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh, I don't think the camera's picking that up very well on that side. Yeah. Wow, that's really pretty. I like that. Oh, I like it a lot. Okay, I've gone overboard. Add some more. I like that. Love, love, love. Yes, yes, yes. You can't ever go wrong with a highlighter. And then our final item is an EOS or EOS. I never know how you pronounce these, but it's a lip balm, I think. And I love, love, love these. Yeah, it's achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm, enriched with moisturising shea butter, or shea butter, however you pronounce it, conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips, certified 100% organic and natural. This hypoallergenic lip balm is essential for the cooler months. They are the coolest packaging for lip balms. I absolutely love them. I had one and it's literally just finished using it. But look, it's like a little egg. And then you twist and there's a lip balm. Oh, it smells good. It just smells like lip balm. Love it. Really, really happy with that. That was such a good box. Did you think that was a good box? I thought that was flinging flanging awesome. The only thing I'm not going to use is this, but that's my skin that doesn't like it, not me. I'm sure the brand are brilliant. My skin just doesn't agree with them. And we're all different, so that's fine. A little bit disappointed in the size of this. The other things more than make up for the this that is just small and this that my skin doesn't like. These things are fling and flanging awesome. So I'm really, really happy with that. I will leave links down below if you would like to try a box yourself. I don't think I've got any discount codes or anything. If I have, I'll link them, but I'm pretty sure I haven't, so I'll just leave a general link to Look Fantastic's website for you guys. Yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.